Hey guys, this is a watch I am so excited to have on the channel. I wanted to have one of these guys on the channel for a long time, and what do you know? The guys at Nodus sent me one. Yeah, this is the Nodus Retrospect, named after that retro vintage design look of the 1960 divers. But this guy definitely has a look all its own. I got to tell you right away. First of all, I want to thank the guys at Nodus for sending me this watch. I'm really pumped and excited to have this on the channel. It's just such a cool watch, and I've had it a few days. I've fallen in love with it. I really, really like this watch, and I think I don't say this too often, but I think I'm gonna pick one of these up for my collection. So hey, let's get into this guy. Let's get into it. This comes packaged in this awesome double roll travel case by Nodus. It has a Nodus leather patch and logo on it. Awesome green and brown leather and canvas. Let's open this up and take a look. Double roll case. This guy comes with, an extra seatbelt grade NATO strap, which is awesome. They are just really, really high quality. Stainless steel buckle with the Nodus name on it. Very classy, very cool indeed. Comes with a Nodus polishing cloth. Very nice, very, very nice. I love when they add all this stuff. It just makes a total package. And this is the warranty card. It also comes with the 4-position timing regulation on this guy. And look, if they don't meet the regulation, they don't send it out. Very, very stringent, from what I'm understanding, quality control with this watch company, which I absolutely love. I think anyone would love that. That's for sure. So let's fold this guy up. It's just a cool case, man. It's just like, vintage style watch with modern packaging for sure. Rugged, outdoorsy, but yet classy. Yeah, I love it. Let's get back into this watch. Absolutely beautiful. I just can't say it enough, and you're probably going to hear me say it a lot through this video. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I really dig this watch. I don't say it often, but this one, a Retrospect, one of the Retrospect series, is probably going to end up in my collection. Just a very, very cool watch indeed. Hey, like I said before, these guys go through some very stringent QC procedures before they get shipped out to you. If they don't meet the specs, they don't get shipped out. So you got to love that quality of this company. They're designed, inspected, tested, and assembled in America, right in sunny California, southern sunny California, right in LA. So what more can you ask for? A cool quality, awesome looking watch assembled right here in America. You gotta love that also. That's 2 big pluses in my book. Hey, this guy is 200 meters water resistant, or 600 feet. So that's really cool. Take it in pretty much any water sport you want, if you want to do that. I don't know if I would though. Hey, this guy has drilled lugs for really easy swap out of straps. And look, comes with quick release spring bars already. So if you have other straps that are quick release, bam, you can switch this out. No problem. Have a different looking watch every day of the week if you like. I really do like the drilled lugs. I'm going to throw a lume shot up for you of this watch. SuperLuminova C3 green lume. Lumed logo. Absolutely gorgeous, and you can see it no problem all night. It lasts all night long. One of the really cool features of this watch is the inward sloping bezel. Gives it that retro design. Very nice, very well done, with engraved 10-minute markers on the bezel. Very well done also. Coin edged bezel, easy to grip, 120 click, very good action, no play, everything is spot on. The dial on this watch is very nice. By the way, if I didn't say it, this is the brown, industrial brown model of the Retrospect series. And they have a few other color combos. Now these guys, I think these guys are sold out. I was just on their webpage and I did not see them available until 2019, but they have like a solid black with a silver bezel, a white with a silver bezel, the brown, and I think a total black model. I don't know. I forget the last model. You might want to check their website. Be sure to check their website out in 2019. These are really, really great watches. This dial is absolutely gorgeous. A sandwich dial with those pointed indices. I love that. Cream color under that industrial brown. Absolutely gorgeous. Another feature I love about this watch is the hands on this guy. The minute hand and the second hand run the whole way right out to the minute markers. Just gives this watch another classy touch to it. The hands are beveled so they catch the light. I'm not sure if you can see it in this lighting, but they are absolutely stunning. This guy is running that NH35 Seiko movement, which is a great movement. I mean, a lot of micro brands are using this movement just because they're readily available and, you know, they're really good, easy to service, inexpensive to service. It's 24 jewel movement with a 41-hour power reserve, hand winding and hackable. Those are all features I love in a watch. This guy has 49 millimeter lug-to-lug this way and a 22 millimeter width for bands. 40.5 millimeter case, and that right there, ladies and gentlemen, I think is the sweet spot pretty much for any wrist. I mean, it's just an excellent size and it looks good. We'll throw a wrist shot up in a minute. 12.5 millimeters thick and 14.5 millimeters thick with that double domed sapphire crystal with AR undercoating, I might add. And sapphire crystal just gives it a very distinct look with that inward slope bezel. Just a great combo together. Very vintage. Very classy look in my book. It is a 316L stainless steel polished case, and if you haven't noticed, polished bezel on the sides, polished case, beautiful polished crown with, let me get that focused in there, with the Nodus logo engraved on the end of it, which is very well done. Nice knurling on it, good action crown. But check out the lug tops here. They're brushed. So it gives it that contrast between brushed and polished, and it is very well done. It looks absolutely great. One other thing, it does come with that seatbelt grade NATO strap we saw earlier in the case, and it also comes with this gorgeous leather strap with the Nodus logo, with the Nodus logo engraved in it underneath. Very soft, pliable leather, feels great on the wrist, good stitching, high quality, stainless steel buckle with the Nodus name on the end. Just very well done and very classy. Hey, let me get a wrist shot on here for you so you can see that. All right, there you have it, guys. The Nodus Industrial Brown. Looks great on my 7¼ inch wrist. Just a very, very well done watch. Hey, that's my short look at the Nodus Retrospect Industrial Brown model. I hope you're having a great day, and stay well.